Bathroom odor is an eternal problem, but there's one stink you can't banish by striking a match or spraying some air freshener: mildew. Its unmistakably unfresh stench can linger, no matter how long you run that fan. Here are 5 ways to banish the smell of mildew in your bathroom. Number 1. Wash it. The first step to battling the mildew stench is to wash everything. This means those much-used hand towels, the musty bathroom rugs, and the stale shower curtain. Add 1 cup of white vinegar to the washing machine, or for items that can withstand bleach, use a solution of 1 part bleach to 9 parts water. Number 2. Address any water issues. Water is usually the culprit behind that nasty smell. A leak caused by a slow drain or a faulty seal on your toilet can cause water to collect, encouraging fungal growth. Repair any leaks promptly. Then, wipe down the previously wet area with a strong bleach-based cleaner. Number 3. Let the bathroom breathe. Dark, damp, warm rooms make a happy home for mildew to thrive. To remedy this, open the windows and let fresh air in. And don't forget to open your cabinets so they can get fresh air too. If you don't have a window in the bathroom, keep the bathroom door cracked open when showering, or use a fan to circulate the air if you prefer to keep the door closed. Number 4. Use an air purifier. The smell of mildew is just annoying to most people, but it can also make those with allergies or asthma sick, or irritate their eyes, nose, throat, and lungs. Place a high-performing air purifier in the bathroom. It will remove the unhealthy mold and bacteria in the air and make the smell disappear. Number 5. Try an odor eliminator. Odor-absorbing items can absorb mildew smell and some of the moisture in the air. These include charcoal briquettes, an open box of baking soda, or a small pouch of kitty litter. Make sure to replace these every month or so.